Hello everyone, a quick video on how to change the pollen filter or the cabin filter on this Honda Insight. So if your Honda Insight dash looks a bit like this, is the right hand drive, but similar to left hand drive, you should have the same principles. Obviously your glove box will be on the other side. The model number for this is this. So I'm using the blueprint one here, because it was the one that was easily available, £10 from Amazon, next day delivery, so can't go wrong. So what you need to do is simply open the glove box and using both hands compress on this side and press in on this side. Obviously because I'm filming I can't do that, but I'll try and do it with one hand. So press there and then press down and it should come down. Yep. Alright, so on this one, for some reason this extra clip here that allows the glove box to come down with a damped effect is off already. I'll have to check. I think it's broken, but it usually goes on that clip and you just have to release that before it pops all the way down. And then once that's happened, there it is there. That's the bit where the cabin filter is housed. So I'm going to try and do this while filming for you. So all you have to do is press the clip on there and press the clip on there and it should come off. So here you go, press there, there you go, easily comes off. And then you take out the old filter. So this is going to be a bit difficult because I'm filming, I'm going to be a bit British. There you go. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a bit grimy, it's doing its job. Let's look at the other side. There we go. Ooh. Not the worst in the world, I've seen worse, but it does need changing. There you go. So there's the housing there, and there's the heater blower fan, if you're wondering what that is. The heater blower fan is there. So there's the replacement. So it goes in like so. Look at the orientation. Oh, it's lucky I checked that there. Look, I've got it the wrong way around. So it's supposed to be, there we go, that way. So give you an idea, the hard edges that you've got, they go on the sides, so you slide it in like so. So here we go. So I'm gonna try and do this while filming, as I've said. So there we go. Easy as anything. Why can't all manufacturers do this, eh? So nice and simple. And you just click that into place. Let me just click that into place because I can't film and do this at the same time. So there you have it, all done. Just pressed on both sides and it's all secured in place. Yep. So what we need to do now is compress both sides of the, so I'm going to just, there you go. Voila. That bit there, that thing is, clip is broken, so it's not holding in, that's why. But if your one isn't broken, that lever there, you just need to click that into the groove there. Let me show you, into that groove there, and that's it. And but even if you don't, it's fine, because look, all works fine. You just don't get the damped effect, it just plonks down. Otherwise it's bang on. Hope that helped everyone, just to give you a reminder of the parts there, number that I used. Hope that helped and saves you a bit of money, not relying on the garage to do it for you. And please do like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.